who is my pelvic floor rebuild course for? I created this course specifically for people who have a weak pelvic floor and need to strengthen it. It is not for people who know their pelvic floor is very tight. So you would know that by, putting things in and out of that area is not comfortable. That is a too tight pelvic floor probably and needs some help in the other direction, flexibility-wise. This course is for people who need to strengthen their pelvic floor muscles. So who are you? Pretty much anybody with a weak pelvic floor. You could be a new mom and you know that you have a weak pelvic floor and you want to strengthen it, because not all new moms have weak pelvic floors. Even after vaginal birth, it can still be tight. So that's important to know. You could be a new mom having a diastasis. You could have that diastasis for a while. You're not a new mom anymore, but you still have that. Strengthening through the pelvic floor and the core, because this course has also other bits in to strengthen the whole entire core. It's integrating. You could be a menopausal woman, perimenopause, and you've noticed there's some changes in your pelvic floor and you know that it's weaker, it's weakening. It often will, and so it needs to be strengthened. You could be an athlete with a weak pelvic floor. I have definitely checked people that are incredibly athletic, very strong. Nothing's going on in the pelvic floor, so that can happen. So is it for men? Men, you can do this as well. However, I would like to create a course specifically for you because you won't hear any male lingo. I'm not referring to male anatomy, which is kind of nice if that's who you are. But you can still use it because it will be all about the core and integrating as well. So if you have a weak pelvic floor area and you know you need to strengthen it, this course is easy, and that's why I made it. It's easy to do and follow along with.